Depositing money on Gumroad is a straightforward process that allows creators to manage their finances effectively. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth deposit experience. Step 1. Create a Gumroad account. Visit the Gumroad website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password, to create your profile. Step 2. Set up payment information. Once your account is created, navigate to the settings section. Here, you will need to provide your payment information, including your bank account or PayPal details, to receive funds from sales. Step 3. Add a product. To deposit money, you need to have a product listed for sale. Click on the Products tab and select Add a Product. Fill in the necessary details about your product, including title, description, and price. Step 4. Promote your product. Share your product link through social media, email, or your website to attract customers. The more visibility your product has, the higher the chances of making sales and depositing money into your account. Step 5. Withdraw your earnings. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can successfully deposit money on Gumroad and manage your sales effectively. Happy selling!